Welcome to all of you. I think you know that you very much are a part of this Mudd fam, so thank you.
I'm grateful that she's found her people, as they say here.
Definitely the friendships that he has built over the years.
She wanted a school which was obviously really good, but also where the experience was much more intimate.
She's learned so much, she's grown so much, and as parents, we couldn't be happier to see her happy.
Campus is beautiful. I'm over the moon about this place. I'm talking about it on the East Coast nonstop.
I think he's enjoying the small college experience and the community that it builds.
And the availability of the 5 C's that he can explore outside of just the STEM field is amazing.
The thing that I think she likes the most is working with other people. And she's really learned how to lead.
I think we appreciate the fact that she was so welcomed and it was easy for her to settle in. We always kind of feel that the best way for her to grow is just surround herself with excellent people, and just the quality of the students here is just unparalleled.
It's the community, the support. She's being challenged.
You can't find this everywhere, and the undergraduate specific experience is I think one of its just best qualities here.
I feel like that Mudd has allowed our student to really come into his own.
When I look and find my friends and he's on Harvey Mudd campus, I know all is good.
I think they felt like they fit in almost immediately.
Is it unusual to say that they came out of a physics class and said, that was so much fun?
Every time that I come on campus, I feel like an extension of family. It's a happy moment to be here, and I can only imagine that my son feels that same way.
The professors are genuinely interested in the students, and that they establish really good rapport.
The whole atmosphere of the place is just a perfect fit for him. And that's, I think, the most important thing, trying to find the right place for your kid, where they're going to be happy and be able to grow and become the best person that they can become.
I actually get a little bit emotional when I saw the HMC letters out here, because this is our last year. She's a senior. And I was reflecting on what a great decision and what an amazing journey it has been for our entire family.
Let's wish the students all the best with their future plans and raise a glass to toast the HMC class of 2026 and their families.